What if I told you that the $300 serum sitting on your vanity right now is biologically dead? You bought it for the exosomes, the holy grail of cellular signaling, but what actually arrived might just be expensive, clear water. In the high-stakes world of modern skincare, Exosomes has become the ultimate buzzword. It promises to rewrite your skin's age, repair the barrier, and stimulate collagen at a level retinol can only dream of. But there's a dirty secret the industry is hiding. These aren't just ingredients like vitamin C. They are delicate biological software, and software can be corrupted. Today, we're going behind the marketing. We're not looking at celebrity endorsements. We're looking at molecular integrity. By the end of this deep dive, you'll know how to perform a $0 diagnostic test at your kitchen table to see if your brand is lying. We're auditing the giants, from Amazon bestsellers to clinical heavyweights. So watch this until the end. Did you know your expensive skincare might just be useless water? Let's talk about exosomes. These are amazing little messengers that help rejuvenate your skin. But they're extremely delicate. Now picture this, a delivery truck crossing the country. In states like Texas or Florida, the inside of that truck can easily hit 130 degrees Fahrenheit. What happens to your precious exosomes at that temperature? They cook. The proteins denature, unfold, and become completely useless. It's a scientific fact. If the brand you're using doesn't ship with a medical-grade cold chain process, you could be spending a lot of money on what is essentially just dead water. Your skin deserves active, effective ingredients, not something that's been destroyed in transit. Think about how your products are being delivered. It makes all the difference. Ever wonder if your expensive Exosome Serum is actually the real deal? You don't need a science degree to find out, just a little physics. It's called the Tyndall Effect. And here's how you can do this simple test at home for free. First, grab your serum and go into a completely dark room. The darker, the better. Next, you'll need a light source. A green laser pointer works best, but a bright focused flashlight will do the trick too. Now, shine that light through the side of the clear bottle. Here's the moment of truth. True exosomes are nanoparticles big enough to scatter light. If you see a bright, glowing path inside the liquid, almost like a shimmering beam, congratulations. That's the light reflecting off millions of active particles. But if the light just passes through and the liquid stays clear, well, you might have just paid for a fancy bottle of water. Try this out and let me know what you find in the comments. Have you ever bought a super hyped up Exosome Serum, saw that initial glow, but then nothing? You're not crazy, and I'm going to show you why it's not working. This is what you need to look for: protein aggregation. First, grab your bottle and give it a gentle tilt. Do you see any clumping, little white stringy floaters, or a cloudy layer at the bottom? That's bad news. It means the active proteins have overheated and tangled into a useless clump. They can't do their job anymore. Next, give it a sniff. High quality, active exosomes have a unique, clean, almost clinical or slightly metallic scent. It's the smell of science. If your serum smells heavily of perfume, like a bouquet of roses or sweet vanilla, they're probably trying to mask something likely the smell of those degraded, inactive proteins. It's time to become a skintellectual. Real, effective science doesn't need to hide behind a floral fragrance. Don't be fooled by the glow or the scent. Check for the real signs of quality. Have you ever wondered why your expensive skincare seems to stop working? Let's talk about exosomes, specifically liquid versus freeze-dried. Look at this liquid serum. It's convenient, sure, but see how it can degrade and turn cloudy? High temperatures during shipping can totally ruin its effectiveness. Now, check this out. This is a lyophilized or freeze-dried exosome powder. By removing all the moisture, its power is basically paused in time, completely safe from heat damage. When you get it home, you mix the fresh powder into the essence yourself. What you get is a super potent, glowing serum activated right when you need it. You're getting 100% of the benefits you paid for. Brands like Hanskin are leading the way with this amazing technology. It's a total game changer for stability and results. If you're curious and have more questions about how it all works, like shelf life or mixing, I've put a full fact list for you in the description below. I just audited over 50 different peptide brands, and let me tell you, most of them failed. Here are the 3 that actually survived the test. First up, the COSRX Peptide Booster. This is an Amazon favorite for a reason. It holds up in any weather condition. Next, we have Plated Skin Science. This is the only liquid formula I found with patented stability technology. And finally, Hanskin's Exosome. It's the king of K-beauty lyophilized formulas, and it's under $50. These 3 passed a laser test that almost every other brand failed. So what does this mean for you? If you have a liquid peptide serum, get it into a skincare fridge set at 4 degrees Celsius right now. And please keep it out of your steamy bathroom. You can't bring a dead protein back to life, but you can stop the remaining ones from dying. Be a skeptic, use the laser, and save your skin. Most creators tell you what to buy. I'm here to tell you how to verify. If this $0 test just saved you from a $300 mistake, give this video a like. It tells the algorithm we want more science-backed truth. To join the most educated skincare community on the planet, hit subscribe and join the journey.